Hey guys, and welcome to my very first vlog. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to announce that I have officially opened my online store, and I'll be selling a bunch of my handmade crochet and sewn items that you guys have seen me make in past videos. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, I will leave a link for that down below, and let's just get into the vlog and get started. So I'm leaving on about a week-long trip to go whale watching down in San Ignacio, Baja California. And I'm taking this trip with a bunch of old family friends and my boyfriend. So this is going to be really exciting because it's our first trip out of the country together. So we're traveling from California all the way down to San Felipe, where my family friends have a house at. From San Felipe, we're going to drive all the way down south to San Ignacio Lagoon, where we're going to get to see some whales. And I'm hoping I get some really cool footage of the action that we see down there. So let's get going. Hello guys, and good morning.
I'm sleepy. Fuck.
Can't take you serious.
So we're in San Felipe. I think we're gonna find some shots or some locations to shoot at. Yeah, it's nice.
Where are we going later?
Where are we going?
San Ignacio.
San Ignacio. Yeah. That one.
I'm coming. Ah!
It's good. So we out here. What's the goddamn deal, everybody?
Tell them what we're doing.
We are driving to the Plato to get ice and monsters.
You're a good boy. Yeah. Baby girl.
We are at Coco's Canteen
Corner. Coco's Corner.
Like,
Hey, what's up, fool?
Gonzaga Bay, LA Bay.
Gonzaga.
LA Bay.
Gonzaga.
Tell them where we're at.
We're in Gonzaga. So we out here in Wait, no. I can't. This is so forced. I can't do it.
Tell them where we're at.
Shit, we out here in LA Bay. So we drove from San Felipe to here. How long was that shit? Like 7 hours?
It's supposed to be 3, but now it's 7.
Alright, we made it though.
Hit me with it.
Photo of me on the rocks. I'm gonna take my clothes off.
For us? Tell them what's up.
Shit, so we out here.
Not again. Not again.
We are in San Rafael on the beach and it is extremely windy. We are going, where are we going? San Ignacio, to see the pretty little gray whales, and if you put this to your ear, you can hear the ocean.
Supposedly.
Supposedly.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? Cause my heart just exploded when I saw your face. Cause your eyes held me captive. Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid, I wanna talk to you. I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh. I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again, but I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue.
So we just got into town here at San Ignacio, and now we're just exploring before we go whale watching tomorrow.
God would be free falling.
Ha!
Lucky to have you.
Yeah, you coming in?
Number 2 is that you're real
Showing us the
girl.
room?
Messy bun, my ideal girl. Number 3 is the deep blue sea that is looking back at me. Am I afraid, I wanna talk to you. I should've known, I should've stopped for you.
The video, crazy.
Oh shit.
Come on.
This life jacket is messing up my fits.
Tell me what's happening.
So we out here. We about to see the whales finally. It's been what, like 5 days?
4.
Let's go. Let's go.
Pip, are you excited to see whales?
I better see some whales if I look like this.
Looking for these goddamn whales.
thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore.
Go.
Let's run it back